In this video, we're going to talk about problem solving to find the area. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at this problem. Mary's going to paint a wall in her bedroom. The wall is 15 feet long and 8 feet high, or tall. The window takes up an area of 6 feet long and 4 feet high. How many square feet of the wall will Mary have to paint? Okay, so first let's think about what the question is asking. What do we need to find? We need to find how many square feet, ooh, that word square feet of the wall will Mary have to paint, okay? Let's look at some information that we have. Well, we know that she's painting a wall. We know that the wall is 15 feet long and 8 feet tall. We also know that there's a window, and the area of that window is 6 feet long and 4 feet high. Okay, so we have a lot of information here. First, let's think, what do we have to do? We're talking square feet, and she's painting a wall. Think about if we're gonna have to use the perimeter around something or the area covering up a surface. Painting a wall, we're finding the area, and they even gave us some clue words with square feet. Okay, so we can solve simpler problems to help us to solve this bigger problem. So we have, here's her wall. You can draw a wall, and it says 15 feet tall, or long, sorry. And I think tall with like height, like you say you're 5'3" is how tall you are. So 8 feet tall, 15 feet long. Now, there's a window there that is 6 feet long. Let's put it right in the middle. Okay, here's our window. Nice curtains, sure. Okay, 6 feet long and 4 feet high. But the question's asking how many square feet will she have to paint? So it's going to be like all of this around it, right? She's not going to paint the window. Okay, so we can solve simpler problems to help us. So first, let's find the area of that entire wall, window and all. We would have to do the base times the height. So 15 times 8. And I like going up and down. 15 times 8. So I can think 5 times 8 is good, 40. And 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 4 more, 9, 10, 11, 12. 120. So the area of the entire wall is 120. Now, we can find the area of the window. So the window is 6 by 4. So 6 times 4. So the area of the window is 24 feet squared. Okay? Now, the last thing we have to do, we don't want to paint over the window. So we have to think of what operation we're going to take away that piece. 120, you guessed it, minus 24. And then, remember, don't forget our basic simple subtraction. I cannot do 0 minus 4, so I'm going to have to regroup from my 10s. That becomes a 1. Now I have 10 ones. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then we look, I cannot subtract, I can't take away 2 from 1, so I'm going to have to regroup again. This becomes 11, and this is 0. 11 minus 2 is 9. So we have 96 square feet, or feet squared, and that is what the wall is that she's going to paint. We took out the window. So how many square feet will Mary paint? 96 square feet. Tomorrow we'll work more with solving simpler problems to help us solve the area of word problems. Have a good night.